You see the targets?
I'll see the targets.
They're a little muddy. You gotta hit them to clean them off. It's probably dry now.
Safety's on.
Yeah, try it out.
Alright, let's do this.
No, you gotta put one in the chamber, son. Remember?
Oh.
Now you have no safety on. Boy,
It's good.
it's going now.
Aim lower if you're trying to hit the targets.
Are you trying to hit those little metal targets in the grass or what?
I'm trying to hit the trees.
But don't aim for the trees.
Don't aim for the tree, aim for the metal target in the grass.